Ding Yuxi, also known as Ryan Ding, is a Chinese actor. Ding developed an interest in acting around 2012 while participating in a commercial shoot. He studied theater, film, and television acting at the Shanghai Film Art Academy. Later, he studied directing at the College of Accounting Education at the Shanghai Theatre Academy. He made his screen acting debut in 2017 with films like The Game of Asura. In 2018, he gained recognition playing Dongfang Bubai in New Smiling Proud on Gerard. In late 2018, Ding participated in the actor competition show Actor and won first place. His breakout year came in May 2020 when he played lead roles as a doctor in Intense Love and as Han Shu alongside Zhao Lucy in The Romance of Tiger and Rose. The dual success led the public and media of dub him the My Boyfriend. In 2020, he appeared on Forbes China 30 Under 30 list. More recently, he has secured major endorsement and achieved the professional title of third-level actor in China. His breakthrough came with lead roles in the urban romance Intense Love and especially the historical romantic comedy The Romance of Tiger and Rose. The latter was a major hit, earning him a nickname May Boyfriend. He also had a supporting role in Serenity of Peaceful Joy. In November 2024, Ding reunited in Love Game in Eastern Fantasy based on the novel The Guide to Capturing a Black Lotus premiering on Tencent Video and WeTV. The series received a Douban rating of 7.7 out of 10, the highest score for a Chinese fantasy series in 2024. In May 2021, Ding started in the romantic comedy drama Moonlight.